and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel as usual. So you have already read by the title ki what I am filming today. So this is the haul video. For the very first time I am doing this on my channel, haul type of video. I have never done this before. I have done that Navratri collection, but that was not a haul video. So I think I am doing this for the very first time, and I'll show you guys what I have shopped recently from the street. And also guys, like I have not done like huge shopping, but yeah, I have done little bit of shopping, like ऐसे randomly कर लिया, like ऐसा कुछ plan नहीं था कि I will be shopping and making a haul video. So everything I got with affordable price is very good and best quality, and I am satisfied with my shopping. So hope you guys would enjoy this video. And yeah, before going ahead, do like this video, because if you like this video I get lots of motivation. Yeah, let's not waste the time and let's jump into this video. So the first thing I got is this yellow color tee, lemon yellow color, which is very nice in color. And after wearing this very attractive color, and after wearing this top we look very attractive. So the first thing I got is this yellow color tee, lemon yellow, which is very pretty color, and after wearing this it looks really amazing. And also the quality is also very nice. You can, I think you cannot see, but पता तो चलता है कपड़े से कि how it is. बहुत ही मतलब ऐसा थिक कपड़ा है. And also I got this for rupees 200. मतलब it was for rupees 250, but I bargain and get it for rupees 200. So yeah, I got this for 200, which is very nice. So my second top is this body fit with this adjustable strip. I think we can use this also, and we can wear this as a like this without that adjustable strip. It also look good, and also you can wear like this also, and this is also very good. And also after wearing this top it looks really very cute. And also I got this for rupees I think 150. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, 150 में लिया ना? 150 में. So this is also very good in 150 and very trendy top. So the third top I got this, but this is not mine, this is of my sister's top, but फिर भी I am showing you guys so that you get to know about like कैसे कैसे टॉप मिलते हैं वहाँ पर, और भी आपको देखने मिल सकता है इसलिए. So this is also very good top, yellow in color. So yeah, this we got for rupees, how many we got this for? I think 250. Yeah, 250. So this is also very nice in 250 without sleeveless top. So another thing I got is this loose shirt for myself, loose crop shirt, and इसका color भी I liked it so much. I don't know you can see the color, but yeah, कैमरा में थोड़ा फर्क पड़ेगा, but I like this. You can tie like shirt की तरह भी पहन सकते हो, and also you can tie a knot and wear it. So yeah, and also this I got for 200. Yeah. So this I got for 200, which is very nice. And this shirt gives me cool vibes. Trust me yaar, this gives me cool vibes. And another thing is this top. I don't know, this white top, which is also very दिख रहा ही नहीं है, ज़्यादा लाइट होगी क्या? Which is this that you have already seen on my Instagram. I am wearing this on my recent reels, and I have also posted picture on this top, which is very, and this I got for 200. Yeah, got this for 200, which is also very good. Almost every top I got for 200, 150 and 250 around that. उसके नीचे भी नहीं है कोई एंड उसके ऊपर भी नहीं है कोई. So next thing I got is this party wear top, black in color, which is very very must, and I like this color and its pattern. And ये बटन भी है जो खुलता है. And yeah, so this I got for 200. यहाँ पे सब आपको 200, 250 and 150 ही मिलने वाला है, which is very very good. And this is also very trendy top. Another thing, another t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. I got this. Can you believe how much cost is this? Oh my god, 150, right? So this is for 150. Oh my god, this you can see उसका color, you can see quality भी बहुत अच्छी है उसकी. I was shocked when he said 150 only. Then I took two. One for me and one for my sister. Wait, I will show you. Exactly the same, but the sleeves थोड़ा सा different colors. Yeah, this is peach in color, and इसका sleeve यहाँ से थोड़ा curl है. And yeah, this is also very nice. No one can believe that this is for 150, but yes, this is for 150. I love this quality so much. So yeah, so the next thing I got is this shorts bottom, and I got this 2 months before, and that is also of 250, like because the sale was going on, so I got this for 250, which is very also good in price. So the next thing I got is this track pants, again bottom. I don't know, but this is थोड़ा सा लूज हो रहा है मुझे because I am very skinny. So yeah, this is also like pink in color, and also I got this for 250, which is बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So yeah, but मुझे थोड़ी सी ये लूज हो रही है यहाँ से. So let's see what to do of this. But after wearing this, it looks really really great. So yeah, the next thing, again bottom, is this baggy jeans, जो मुझे कब से मतलब चाहिए थी. I have never wore this baggy jeans before. This is like first time, and I will be wearing. So yeah, I got these baggy jeans for 100 rupees because the sale was going on. That's why 100. वरना तो 300 or 400 something is the price. But because of the sale, I got this for 400, which is of my length. जो आपको तो पता ही है, my height is too short, and also still I got this. Oh my god, fit भी नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. You can see. So yeah. So I got a lot of thing in कम prices में. And also again one baggy jeans. This is my favorite. The color light blue, and pattern is also very good. And this is also for the same 100 rupees. I got this because of the sale was going on. I got two baggy jeans of like 100. So 200 में मैंने 2 jeans लिए baggy. And yeah, and also one more I have baggy jeans, but it's of my sister. That's for I think 550, जो कि हमने शॉप से ली थी. That's why. So this is for baggy jeans. This is also very good, wide legs. I also like this very much. You can see. So yeah, I'm not showing the clip of this, but I got this for 550. This is also nice. So the another thing I got is this top. This top I got for 300. Only this top I got for 300. बाकी सब तो 250 के. And क्वालिटी भी इसकी मतलब अच्छी है एंड दिस ऑल्सो गिव्स मी कूल वाइब्स, सो दैट्स वाई आई बॉट दिस बिकॉज ये सब समर में वेयर करना बहुत ही मतलब अच्छा लगता है. सो या, सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज footwear. I'll show you these heels. You can see this is so pretty in color. I got this 2 months before from the same street, from the same market. I got this and I got this for around 350 I guess. So this is also very nice, 350 में ये. And also I have bought this before, like शादी में मैंने पहना था जो मैं गाँव में गई थी उसमें. And yeah, also I have Mojdi type flats. This also I got for I guess 200. Yes, this also I got 2 months before, so मुझे prices इतना याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट यह सब बजट में ही है एंड अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस में ही आपको लाइक वो मार्केट से सब कुछ मिल सकता है. एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव वन मोर थिंग, दिस शूज़. This shoes is for 450. That is also worth. 450 is like not a big huge amount, but yeah, 450 is good enough for this shoes because इसका color and quality is also nice and मैंने already एक बार पहन चुकी हूँ. All this footwear I got is 2 months before. सब एक साथ लिया था मैंने. So yeah, and also I have this chain neck piece which is for ₹100. आई डोंट नो ये क्या हो गई है, जो पहनने के बाद बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है. सो या, सो ये मुझे पार्ला खोखा मार्केट से आई हैव शॉप्ड ऑल दिस विच इज़ नियर बाय पार्ला स्टेशन ओनली. मैनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स नो दिस एंड या, अगर जिसको नहीं पता है सो यू कैन गो देयर एंड विजिट दैट मार्केट एंड यू कैन शॉप एनीथिंग लाइक इन बजट. सो या, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड सो थोड़ा उधर वहाँ पे मार्केट स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स थोड़े कम बैठते हैं, बट स्टिल आई गॉट मैनी थिंग्स इन दिस कोविड ऑल्सो. सो जब एकदम ही चालू हो जाएगा तो बहुत ही आपको वेराइटीज देखने मिलेंगी. सो या, सो होप यू गाइज लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट अ लाइक, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do let me know in the comment section which was yours favorite, like anything footwear, top, bottoms or that neck piece, whatever. Neck piece तो एक ही है still. So do let me know in the comment section and also comment down which type of videos you wanna see. If you wanna see these haul types of video or something related to fashion, then do let me know. I will be surely making for you guys in my next soon guys in my next video. Till then, bye. This is very, and its color is so pretty and